Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the PTCB exam. First, familiarize yourself with the official content outline, which details the 4 main knowledge domains. Next, collect all necessary study materials, such as comprehensive textbooks and reliable practice exams. Finally, develop a structured study schedule that allocates specific times for each subject area, ensuring you cover everything without feeling overwhelmed. This systematic approach will build a strong foundation. Focus your efforts on key areas like pharmacology, understanding drug names, classifications, and common side effects. Dedicate significant time to pharmacy law and regulations, covering both federal and state requirements. Additionally, practice dosage calculations consistently. This includes conversions, dilutions, and drip rates, ensuring you can solve problems quickly and accurately under pressure. Consistent practice is crucial for these critical skills. Regularly take full-length practice exams to simulate the actual test environment and timing. After each practice test, carefully review your answers to identify areas where you need more work. Dedicate extra study time to these weaker subjects. Incorporate flashcards for quick recall of drug facts and use mnemonic devices to help remember complex information. This iterative process of practice and review is highly effective. In the days leading up to your exam, prioritize getting adequate rest and maintaining a healthy diet. On exam day, ensure you arrive at the testing center early with all required identification. Stay calm, read each question carefully, and manage your time wisely. Remember, you've prepared diligently for this moment. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to great deals on smart speakers and other helpful items that can enhance your daily life. Good luck.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.